Hi guys, let me show you how my husband made this heavenly dessert. To begin with, here are the ingredients. My biscuit, custard powder, fresh milk, cream, and condensed milk. It's time to pour 3 heaping spoons of the custard powder into a cup and add a little bit of water, enough to dilute the custard powder. Let's stir it to dissolve this custard powder, and let's make sure that there will be no lumps. Actually, we're going to add fresh milk, so there will be enough liquid to dilute the custard powder, and mix it again. Now let's mix the condensed milk and the fresh milk in a bowl. So we're just using the milk can to measure the fresh milk. And let's start to make this hot. Just make sure that both milk are mixed well. This time we're going to add the custard that we dissolved earlier. And let's just make sure to mix it properly to the milk by stirring it. And now let's just continue heating the mixture. From time to time we need to check the consistency of the custard, whether it's still thin or thick enough. We can repeat this process until the custard is cooked, so you can determine if it's cooked when it's thicker. And now let's add a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it properly. Now it's time to pile up the Marie biscuit to the desired container or your preferred container. So we choose the Pyrex to put on the crust. We're going to put the custard into the top of the Marie biscuit.
Making food for the window.
Just make sure if you try to do this dessert to be extra careful because this is very hot. Repeat the process to make the second layer. When it's done, let it set in the fridge for 3 hours. It's chilled, so it's time to put the cream. First, we need to whip it until it's thick. going to add some milk chocolate flakes as one of our garnish. We're going to use maraschino cherries for the garnish, additional garnish aside from the chocolate. Let's eat! And that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not my subscribers yet. And see you next time.